Meaning of forever.
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 Forever. Forever means an infinite amount of time, without end or limit. It suggests something that will last for eternity and cannot be measured by any finite unit of time. The concept of forever is often associated with love, life, and the universe, as these are all things that we perceive as being vast and enduring. The idea of forever can evoke feelings of awe, wonder, and reverence, as well as a sense of the sublime and the infinite. Ultimately, forever is a mysterious and elusive notion that challenges our imagination and stretches our understanding of time and existence.